Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add texture to your text on Photopea, I don't know. I'm just going to select this text thing and I'm just going to create a text here. Whoops. And then let's size it to 300. Whoa. Let's go with 250 actually. And then I'm just going to place it in the middle. You can select any color that you want. I'm just going to select, I didn't even change the color, sorry. This purple color maybe. Then you're going to want to copy and paste like any texture that you want. I'm just going to get like a paper texture here. Let me just copy and paste it. Hold on. Why is my internet so bad today? Like, honestly, I can't even. Whoa, it's taking so long to load. Okay, hold on. I'm like loading in my other monitor. So let's paste this like texture. Right click it, clipping mask. And then as you can see, you have this texture, but you still want the color. So go to the blend mode and select the overlay one. And here you can adjust the opacity of the texture, but I just have it at 100%. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.